Hello viewers, this is Sharmi again from California. Today I am going to show you Thai style fried chili chicken with rice. So follow me and let's check how it's done. To make that dish, you need to make a Thai style chicken fry first. Here I have 2 chicken breasts which I sliced very thin. Now I am going to marinate the chicken. To marinate the chicken, now I am going to use 1 egg, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half tablespoon black pepper and salt. Now stir everything properly. Now I am going to add 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Soy sauce is optional. If you like the taste, you can add it. If you don't like, then you can skip this part. Now add the chicken and cover it up and let it marinate for 1 to 2 hours. Now I am going to roast some rice. So take a hot pan and put the rice on the pan and stir it until it becomes brown color. Now I am going to grind it. After 2 hours of marination, now I am going to fry the chicken. Now I am going to add 1 cup of flour and mix it properly. After that, I am going to cover it in breadcrumb and fry it in a hot pan. My Thai chicken fry is ready. You can eat as a chicken fry, but for the main recipe, I am going to slice the chicken fry. To make the garnish, I am going to add ketchup, garlic chili sauce, chili flakes, lime juice. Stir everything properly. Now I'm going to add onion, green onion, coriander leaves, green chilies and mix everything properly. If you like sweet, then add some sugar in the sauce, but if you don't like sweet in your food, then you don't need to add sugar. I like little bit of sweet taste in my food, so I'm going to add a little bit of sugar, but it's optional. Now I'm going to add grinded rice flakes and mix it properly. Our garnish is ready and it looks so yummy. Now put the fried chicken on top of the rice and top it off with garnish. And then your Thai chili fried chicken with rice is ready to be served. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you in our next videos. Thank you.